Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video from How to Log In. Are you experiencing login errors on your Facebook Messenger application? Well then, in this video, we will be guiding you through the steps of how to solve this issue. This error occurs due to a number of reasons. We will go through these reasons and the steps to follow in order to get rid of them. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet connection either through Wi-Fi or your data connection. If your internet connection is working just fine, then you will need to now check for updates for your Android device. Go into your phone settings and then from the About section you will be able to search for updates onto your phone. If your phone software is up to date, then now it is time to check whether the Messenger application is up to date. Go into the Google Play Store and then search for Messenger. If you see an update button, then go ahead and press on it. This will install the latest update of the Messenger application. If your application is already up to date, then you will just see the Open button. Now there is one final step that you can take in order to make sure that your login error will be resolved. Go into your phone settings and tap on Applications. From the application menu, search for Messenger and tap on it. Tap on the Force Stop button and proceed towards force stopping the Messenger application. Then press on Storage and tap on Clear Data. Proceed towards clearing your data, and this will erase all of your Messenger application data. After doing this, restart your phone, and after you have restarted your phone, open up the Messenger application and try logging in once again. Now your login should work just fine. So that is how you can solve the login issues on your Messenger application. And that's all for this video. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.